Hi everyone, my name is Tina and welcome back to Baking with Tina. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make blueberry muffins. But before we get on to that, I want you guys to comment down below what you want me to make and I'll try my best to make it happen. Not too hard though because my skill level is not that high. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So first you want to pour your flour into a large bowl along with your salt, baking powder, and sugar. Then you want to slightly mix it. So in a separate bowl you want to crack your eggs, and I cracked an eggshell in mine. And this never happens, by the way. I don't know why it happened today. And then you want to add in your oil and your milk. And then you just want to stir that together. Now you want to add your blueberries to your dry mixture so it can prevent a blue batter. Then once it's mixed together, you want to create a well shape from your bowl. Just create a hole in the center and then you just want to add your wet ingredients. This prevents you from overmixing your batter later. And you just want to pour that in, mix it until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix. You just want to fold it nicely, making sure you don't break any of the blueberries. You just want to mix until you don't see any more flour bits or like chunks of flour anywhere, and that's basically mixed thoroughly. You want to divide the batter evenly between the 12 muffin cups, and then you want to bake that off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Once it's done baking, you want to leave it on the counter for about 10 minutes or until it's cooled completely. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try this recipe out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in for my next video. Bye!